Perfect. That's it.
Ready? Went up.
What are we taking off?
We are finishing taking off the control arm now, hopefully.
Hold this and pull the.
Can we bang it back in there?
Yeah. Let's pull that down. No, you're gonna have to slide it this way a little bit.
Slide it which way?
Slide this way, this that way.
Alright. We got one down, one to go.
I don't know how far this is gonna drop. I don't know how far this is gonna drop. It may drop.
I don't think it will. I think this thing's gonna hold it.
Don't stab yourself.
I make no promise.
All you gotta do is barely push, and then don't push. Don't push this in. You know what I mean? Kind of like just like hold it there and push. Yeah.
I need to take this because the screwdriver's stuck. Alright. It's on there. Alright. I thought that was gonna hit me. That's welded on the other side. Alright. And we got one trailing arm down, one to go. I gotta go put in some eye drops because something dropped in my eyeball. Alright guys, so I've got my strange shocks here and I'm gonna go ahead and put them together with my springs and get it started. So I'm just going to pull on this, push down on here to release the grommet. Put the spring on. I'm a little OCD, so I want to make sure all my words are facing up right here. No one's going to see it or care really, but I'm OCD like I said. Put the bearings on that are in between the washer, or the pin needles, should I say. Put this back on, fish the grommet back up through. Part's a little annoying. Right, put the grommets back on. Go upside down. And now we just tighten this. Basically, you just want to go until it's snug, so it doesn't move it. Sure it's all even. And it's all snug. And then this is the locking washer. goodness. That'll lock it in spot. And there we have it. Ready to go on? Alright guys, so we have everything taken out right now. We don't have the control arm in. We don't have the trailing arm in. That goes right here. And then we also took off the shock right here. So we're about to install the new BMR kit. And then we should be able to actually drive her, possibly. We shall see. This is the BMR coilover kit, the conversion kit. We're going to go ahead and get this started. And yeah, that's about it. It goes this way. I'm not mistaken. Ow, my face. Give me another one. Thank y'all. Should just slide in?
Yeah.
You had it on there and you fucking took it off? Oh, I see. It. This is stopping it from going out. This.
Alright guys, so we got the kit installed and we kind of had a small issue. As you can tell, there's a pretty big gap in between the wheels. Can't ever figure out how or why, but after researching quite a bit, disconnected the sway bar to see if that was the issue, and it wasn't. Finding the issue, the top hat of the coilover conversion kit is upside down. So we have to take this whole kit back out, flip that hat so that it goes inside the hole up there. I don't know if you can see it. Flip it, put the shock back on, put the lower control arm back on, put the trailing arm back on, and then do the same to the other side. And then hopefully that gap will be a lot lower. So let's get it on the back on the lift. Let's go from there. Alright guys, so this is the plate that has to be flipped upside down, has to go inside the car, and you will have to take, when you flip it, you will have to put this on the shock before you put it in the car, because you will not be able to get to this bolt. So, and that will be our clearance issue of the wheel gap that we had. Right now I just undid the spanner wrenches to take all the tension off the arm, to get the bolt out a little easier. Hopefully I don't have to take off this. I'm gonna try not to, and then we will have to take off this to lengthen it to match the stock one. So just to make alignment a little easier. So let's get back to it. All right, guys, it's been a little bit, but we figured it out. So you do have to cut a lot, quite a bit. As you can tell, it's a little jagged, but it's what we could do. I had to go to Harbor Freight and get a air saw, and then I came back with the grinder and kind of touched it up a little bit. You're not gonna see it, so it don't matter, but let's get this side in and hopefully it clears. All right, guys, we are done. This is the front, so we're gonna have to lower this now. And now this is the back. So finally we got a lot lower. It's on setting 6 right now on the compression, so it's a little stiff, but we'll probably loosen it up to give it a little bit more give. But we just got to play with the suspension settings. So all right, well, car's fixed finally. Yep. But all right, guys, so we will see you in the next one.